This is Irontrader. It is Thursday morning. Wow, this week is just absolutely flying by. Now remember, on natural gas, the EIA report will be out today at 10:30. Now, when the report came out yesterday at crude oil, it moved it, had quite a bit on the downside. So we got to see how that's going to affect the old natty gas here. So be very attentive there today at 10:30. Okay, this video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, what we have here on your daily, you can see here just a nice sideways action, and you're holding that key 8 simple moving average. That's exactly what we're looking for here to take her back to the upside. Now, what we do is when you get this sideways pattern, okay, usually you get an explosiveness here as it kind of wears out and it tightens up here, either to the upside or to the downside. But with seasonality in place, summer driving going on here, you got hurricane season coming up here. This could very well bust out here to the upside, but let's just see here. That's why we want to trade the charts. So what we're looking for here on the upside is today's high so far was 81.66. That's a little bit higher than we had 81.63 yesterday. The two levels that we're really looking for here is looking at this 81 here, 79. That's going to be key. And then we're looking for this high right here at 81.90. Okay, so when you look at that price channel 81.90, you really have to blast up above that. Okay, then that was your resistance right here, your 81.99. So came in within 9 cents. But again, if you can get above that 81.90, here's what you're looking for right here. Look at that bottom of that candle. The next level is going to be 82.40, and then we're going to come next level here will be 83.30, and then we have 83.91, and then we'll come to the top here at 84.46 here. That's going to be your upside targets here if you can get and close above this 81.90, not just pop through it, but close above it. On this downside here, this is what you're looking for, is this 8 SMA. Very, very key level here, okay? Now you can see here how we're holding it here on a closing basis here like this. There's, okay, see? So we look how many times we've closed here above this 8 SMA. That's always very, very bullish. Now, again, if that 8 SMA is lost, then you want to look right to that 100-day, okay? So this is your next support level is 79.86, and then we're going to come right over here to this 200-day. You're looking at 79.53, and then we have that 50-day at 79.35, and then we have your 21-day here sitting at 78.33. Now, the 21-day was rolling up here pretty nicely here. Now you can see where it's just going sideways here because of this sideways action, which is happening here. Now, RSI looking very, very good. Plenty of room here to run, and you still have that bullish cross, that buy signal here on your MACD. So this is all looking good. So when we look at the weekly chart, we only have today and tomorrow. We just want to make sure that we're all closed above all this key support level here. You have your 21-day at 79.92. We have your 50 SMA here, 79.89. Then we have your Hondo there at 79.48, and your 8-day curling up very real nice here at 78. 55 level here. So this is all looking here pretty good. So this all really lines up with what we have here. But the key to this daily chart is going to be this A simple moving average. So this is what we have to really pay attention to here on a closing basis. As long as we can hold that, then we're in really, really good shape here to take this higher. But we just have a sideways market. So this is a trader's market here, okay? So what we want to do is you want to trade here this 8 SMA here onto that top of that 81.90. Okay, that's where trade is now. So yesterday we had a low there of 80.18. So we were right in here. Okay, the lowest low we had here was 80.23, but you're sitting right there. Okay, this is all the very, very key level here. Okay, so this is what we want to hold. We want to make sure that we hold this key level of support. Now, again, if this could be sideways action, but again, you can see as that 8 days moving up, okay, you're putting big time pressure here. Something's going to give. So it's either going to explode up or it's going to explode down. I would think that it would be exploding up in this time frame, but let's just see. But just trade this range. Yesterday was such a really good trading day. I had 4 scalps on that UCO. It was just really, really just a absolute great trading day. Okay, so let's just trade this until we can get above that. So if we break above that 81.90, well, then we know what your next level is going to be. It's going to be that 82.40, and then work yourself all the way on up here. If you lose that 8 SMA here, then we look to yesterday's low, that 80.18, and then we can come down here to the 100-day here at 79.86. Okay, let's take a look and see what natural gas is doing. Okay, here we have natural gas. We pretty much have this sideways action like we have on crude, except this is more like to the downside. See how that MACD is to the downside versus the old crude is to the upside. So we got to see what's going to be on that EIA report. Now, again, that EIA report moved crude there yesterday pretty good. It dropped it right on down, but that was a good buying opportunity. So let's just see what happens here with the natural gas. Now, if you have a big draw, we've had a lot of high heat, you get these power plants going here, that could take natural gas higher. So never have an opinion, just wait and see at that 1030, and then we can see how it's all going to shake out. Now, what we're looking for here on the upside, take a look at that first, is we're looking for this 8 simple moving average, looking at 2.77, okay? So you're just below that. If you can get above, you're looking right here, 2.80. That's what your target is, okay? If you can get above that. Then what we do is we just follow that candles. What we have here, 2.83. We have 2.84, and then we have yesterday's high at 2.86. Obviously, if you can get above that, there we are. You have 2.916, and then we have roughly 2.95, and then your 3.09, 3.13, 3.15. But you got to get above this 8 SMA here, okay? That's going to be very, very key. Now, you can see where the 8-day crossed below that 21-day. That's never really a good sign, okay? But again, that doesn't mean that that can't reverse and go right back up again. So never have an opinion. Let's just see. So again, on the upside, watch that 2.7 and then watch this 21-day here at 2.80. Now, downside, well, today's low here. So far, we had 2.72. Yesterday's low, he had 2.73. But you're right there, okay? See how nice this is all lining up here? But what you want to do is we want to look to this candle right here, okay? This is basically, if you look at the low, it says 2.699. So say 2.70. That's what you're really looking for here for support. If that's lost, then we're going to come right here. You got 2.67, and then we're going to come to the bottom of this candle at 2.63, okay? So this is all what you're going to be looking for. Very, very key. Now, this 8 SMA here, this is very, very crucial. This is sitting at 2.66. It's just right in this center right here, okay? So this is going to be very, very important here by the end of the day tomorrow. That's what you're looking for, is to hold that 8 SMA. If not, you're going to drop right down to that 50-day very, very easily and very, very quick. Now, you can see where this price channel, see this price channel is there. Now it's leveling off here, okay? So now what this price channel is saying right here, okay, 2.518, this is what we're looking at right here, okay, the bottom of that candle. So now the price channel is moving up. This price channel is still the same. It's not moving down or up. It's just like a sideways action. So let's just see what's going to happen with this price here. So we just have sideways action. Okay, so upside, watch that 8-day, watch that 21-day. If we can get above, then we can just look to yesterday's high. That's going to be your target, okay? And then we just follow the candles up. Now, downside, just watch the bottom of there. That's at roughly 2.70 and then 2.67, okay? And then we have your 2.63 here on your daily. Now, again, always watch this 8 SMA. That's very, very crucial. And if then that's all lost, then we come right here, 2.60, 2.57, and then we'd come right there at 2.51, which is your price channel. So we're going to see how this is all going to shake out here. Now, on your weekly, you can see your MACD is still looking very, very good. That's still a buy set. It's long as you hold that 8 simple moving average. That's going to be very, very key. But you notice here for the last 3 weeks, you got a high, and lower lower lows, okay? That's usually never a good pattern that you really want to see. But we got to see how it's all going to shake out, especially coming in this time of the year. We got to see. I don't have any kind of a opinion one way or the other. We just want to just take the trade long or short. Okay, I'll be back here midday trading, and we'll take a little bit more in depth on natural gas and crude oil, see what's going on, and then we always throw something else in the old mix. Okay, thanks for watching.